lost. I can see you on the road.
Where we're going,
we don't need roads. Well, I think we've lost all the fucking coppers. All that fucking mass shootout, and they've all gone. I can see golf.
Okay.
We're on your right hand side.
Well, now you get to that fucking tunnel.
How the fuck did you get that helicopter on there?
Oh man, it's pretty epic.
Oh no!
You know if I run along the side of the train, can I actually jump on?
Yeah, you know the low
Yeah.
bits. What you do is you just get out. And you can, if you just press spacebar on the low bits, you'll jump in.
Let's try this shit.
Do it on the big tags though, because the train will run you over.
I'm on!
Yeah, he's on. I'm on.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh, now I'm gonna try and get the fuck on now.
Get a car and chase it.
If you haven't landed a vehicle on it, you're not worthy.
Come on. Well, we should like do it like go bigger.
What's that?
Take this cargo plane and land it